Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the blade and machine are matched to your media, because a wrong blade ruins material quickly. Once done, secure the media to the mat at the machine origin and feed the mat until it registers. Open your design file, make sure lines are set as cut paths, and set units and scale accurately. Then run a quick test cut on a scrap corner. This tells you if blade depth, speed, and force need tweaks before committing to the full job. Now you refine settings for precision. Lower speed for intricate cuts, increase force for thicker media, and use extra passes only if needed. If you cut printed designs, enable registration marks so the machine aligns cuts to print accurately. Once configured, preview the cut path in the software to catch overlaps or open paths. Then run a single-layer test on a small area. This confirms alignment and avoids wasting full sheets. Make adjustments, retest, and when satisfied, execute the full cut job confidently. Finish by unloading the mat slowly, keeping the media flat to prevent lifting fragile cuts. You then weed the design, removing excess material from edges inward, and save small islands for last to prevent tearing. If cuts are incomplete, noisy, or misaligned, stop, rerun a short diagnostic cut, inspect the blade edge for wear, check mat adhesion, and clean the sensor. If alignment drifts, recalibrate the machine origin, then repeat a test cut before resuming the full batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.